everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Himani. So we are back with weekly horoscope for the coming week, that is 19th of April till 25th of April based on your zodiac signs. So चलिए देखते हैं यूनिवर्स इस हफ्ते आपको क्या गाइड कर रहे हैं. बिफोर दैट, अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं सो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल Himani Goyal Soul Studio and press the bell icon to get more video notifications of whatever new videos I will upload. Also, please share this video with your family and friends so that they can also take this guidance and plan their week. I know it's a general guidance, but have faith. Definitely, you will take away some motivational points or guidance from the card that will help you to plan your week accordingly. For personalized assistance, you can check my description box where I will put down all my social media handles. You can reach out to me through these platforms. Also, timestamp of each zodiac signs will be there, so you can check your own zodiac as per the timestamp. आई गिव रीडिंग्स एज पर मून साइन. अगर आपको मून साइन नहीं पता है तो आप कोई भी जोडिएक जिससे आप कनेक्टेड हैं ये रीडिंग देख सकते हैं. तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. पहला जोडिएक है एरीज, मेष राशि. लेट्स सी द गाइडेंस. ओके, सो फॉर एरीज द कार्ड इज 2 ऑफ स्प्रिंग, विच मीन्स you can manifest a bright future through hard work and creativity. So आप एक अच्छा फ्यूचर मैनिफेस्ट कर सकते हो अगर आप हार्ड वर्क करते हो, आप क्रिएटिव हो. सो डेफिनेटली यू विल मैनिफेस्ट अ ब्राइट फ्यूचर दिस वीक. पार्टनरिंग विथ अदर्स हु कैन शेयर योर ड्रीम. सो आप दूसरे लोगों के साथ पार्टनर कर सकते हो आपके वेंचर में, स्टार्टअप्स में, बिजनेस में, जो आपके साथ आप ड्रीम शेयर करते हैं. who can share your dream. So maybe both of you have the same dream, so you can partner with them and you can work with them as a team. Also, you are on the right track. Great progress is being made, so continue on the same path to reach your goal. So all the best, Aries. चलिए नेक्स्ट जोडियक टॉरस. लेट्स सी द गाइडेंस फॉर दिस वीक फॉर टॉरस. ओके, टॉरस आपके लिए कार्ड है द चैरियट, which means this week you should have self discipline and dedication to reach your goal. So success always comes when there is dedication and self discipline. You will be celebrating your accomplishments. You are very determined to fulfill your goals, so you will definitely celebrate your accomplishment. You will be in the spotlight. People will follow you, that how dedicated you are, how self discipline you are in terms of following your goals, whether it is losing weight or whether it is working hard in your company, achieving your targets. So whatever it is, your dedication will help you to be in spotlight and people will follow you. So all the best, Taurus. चलिए लेट्स मूव ऑन टू जेमिनाई, द नेक्स्ट जोडियक मिथुन राशि. लेट्स सी द गाइडेंस. ओके, Gemini, for you the card is life experience, which means you should let go of your belief systems which is not longer serving you or which is not working for you. So you have to let go of your old belief systems, start with new beliefs. Also, there might be an important life changing event coming your way, so be prepared for it. That can lead to significant opportunities. It can be a situation which can lead to significant opportunities. Maybe you get some job call, some good news which will change your life, which will help you to achieve significant opportunities. So all the best, Gemini. Let us move ahead with the next zodiac sign, दैट इज कैंसर. चलिए देखते हैं कर्क राशि के लिए क्या गाइडेंस है. ओके, सो कैंसेरियंस आपके लिए कार्ड है एस ऑफ समर, which means this week you should open your heart to love. I know if you have faced challenges in love or heartbreaks, still you should open your heart to love. This card is beautiful card which is telling you to open your heart. Also, this week it can be a beginning of a new intimate relationship. If you are single, you might find someone with whom you have an intimate and a beautiful relationship. Or if you or if you were facing challenges in your relationship, this week will be the rebirth of your current relationship. Maybe, if you were already in a relationship and that relationship was suddenly break off, or your partner has fought with you and you know break up your relationship. So this is the week where there will be a rebirth of your current relationship. He may come and apologize, or you may talk to each other, sort out the difference. So there will be a rebirth of the current relationship. Also, this is the week where you have the psychic abilities, so you will awaken your psychic abilities and take any decisions required for the week. So all the best, Cancer. Chaliye, let us move ahead and check the guidance for Leo. Let's see what is the card for Leo. Okay, so Leo, your week card is 6 of spring, which means this week you will receive wonderful news, maybe about your career, promotion, salary hike, appreciation for your project from your superior. So wonderful news is on its way. You should make smart choices this week that will bring rewards for you, Leo. So you have to make smart choices. This is the week where you will achieve success and public recognition. People will appreciate you, they will come forward and appreciate your work, your success, your hard work. So they will appreciate you, which will boost your confidence. So all the best, Leo. Chaliye, next zodiac, Virgo. Let's see the guidance for Virgo. Okay, so Virgo, for you the card is Justice, which means this week you need to take out time to review details carefully, how your week went by, how the last week was. So you have to review it carefully, because justice means you will definitely get reward or punishment based on your deeds, and in this week only. If you're fighting any legal battles, whether it is for your relationship, divorce, or any legal property matter you are fighting this week, rest assured you will win in the end. Also advised to take fair and objective decisions, because you will be responsible for whatever decisions you will take for you and your team. So you have to be careful and you have to take fair and objective decisions. So all the best, Virgo. चलिए नेक्स्ट zodiac sign Libra पे चलते हैं. Let's open the card for Libra. Okay, Libra, for you the card is Strength, which means this week you need grace and inner strength to overcome all the challenges in life. So whatever challenges you might face during the week, you should have inner strength and courage. Also this week you need to have the power of kindness and forgive those who have hurted you. I know it is difficult, but this is what the card requires, the power of kindness and forgiveness. Also embrace yourself, feel that how wonderful you are. So you have to embrace yourself and move on. So all the best, Libra. Chaliye next zodiac, Scorpio. Let's see the card. Okay, Scorpio, for you we have got the wish card, that is 9 of summer, which means all your wishes will come true. Universe is blessing you with hope, success. Whatever you have been dreaming for, it will going to be fulfilled. All your wishes will be fulfilled. It's a magical time of your life. Make use of it, manifest your desires, sit in front of God and manifest your desires. Universe is ready to give you. All the best, Scorpio. Chaliye next zodiac, Sagittarians. Let's see the card. Okay, Sagittarians, for you the card is Princess of Autumn, which means This week you are very studious and cheerful. If you are looking out for a change in your career, happy news are going to come, or in your existing company you might get promotion, increment or salary hike. If you are a student, you will get scholarship for higher studies. You should make a well thought plan that will definitely go perfectly. You need a little push to get going and achieve success in life. So all the best, Sagittarians. चलिए लेट्स मूव ऑन टू केप्रिकॉन मकर राशि. लेट्स सी द गाइडेंस. ओके, Capricorns, for you the card is the moon, which means you have to let go of worries and fears that are haunting you. Maybe any past worries. You wanted to learn car but you banged in the past, so now you are scared of not driving. So this is the card which is telling you let go of worries and fears, understand the situation, the truth of the situation and move on. Door is open for opportunities. Only thing is you are holding your past fears, unconscious fears, which is not letting you to move forward. Understand the truth of the situation, learn from it and move on. You have powerful intuition that will help you to move forward, and it will help you to take any decisions in life. This is not the right time for a career change. So all the best, Capricorn. चलिए let us move on to Aquarius. Let's see the guidance for Aquarius. Okay, Aquarius, for you the card is High Priestess, which means this week trust your intuition in making any decisions. Also carefully reflect before taking action. So whatever action is required, just be careful and carefully observe, reflect, understand, and then take the decision. Trust your intuition. Look within yourself for any answers you are looking for. You are the perfect teacher for guiding yourself. Also, insights come through meditation. So, whatever decisions you need to make, just close your eyes, meditate, and then definitely you will get the answer which is hiding inside you. So, all the best, Aquarius. The last zodiac, Pisces. Let's see the guidance. Okay, Pisces, for you the card is Four of Autumn, which means this week you need to manage your resources wisely so that you won't face any difficulties for emergency expenses. It is the time to balance it, how you spend and how you save. Neither save too much or nor spend too much. So it is the card which is guiding you to achieve a balance in how you spend and how you save money. Also, you should help others this week who are less fortunate themselves. This card is telling you to help others who are in need. So all the best, Pisces, and thank you everyone for watching this weekly horoscope. I hope these weekly guidances will surely help you to plan your week. Till then, see you next week. Bye bye, take care, cheers.